everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be telling you about different ways of saying I agree. Instead of just saying I agree, we will use different words or different phrases to express that. Now in an everyday life, we have conversations at meetings, at home, at work, in many places, right? So during those conversations, we sometimes agree with people and we express that agreement, and we mostly say I agree with you or just I agree. So instead of just saying that, let's learn these new phrases to express in a better way. Let's look at these new phrases. Number one is exactly. Now instead of saying I agree, you say, oh, exactly, that's what I was saying. Let's see an example. That is exactly what I wanted to say. Here you are agreeing to somebody's point. You are totally relating to what that person is saying. So you say, I exactly wanted to say the same thing. Now let's look at the second one. Number two, that's true or that is so true. You agree that that statement or that person, whatever has said, is correct. It's true. Let's see an example. That's true what he said. I have heard the same news today. You are agreeing with that person's information that he has given just now. So you say, yes, that is true. Let's see the next one. Number three is, you are absolutely right. You are showing 100% agreement with somebody. You are saying that you are absolutely right. I agree with you. Now let's see an example. You are absolutely right. I agree with whatever you have just said. Totally understand what you're trying to say. Now again, you're showing agreement with that other person. Let's look at the next one. Number four, I'm with you. Here, this is a very informal or a casual form of expressing that you are agreeing with the person. Let's see an example. I'm with you, my friend. I totally get your point. Here you are talking to your friend and you're totally agreeing with that person, and so you're saying I am with you. I'm with you on this topic, or I'm with you on this point. Now let's move on to the next one. Number five, absolutely. Now this is again a single word expression to agreeing. Let's see an example to understand this, how you can use it. Absolutely, you were totally right about the movie review. You were discussion about a movie, about its review, and you're agreeing with that person that yes, you have given right information. I totally agree with you. Absolutely, you are correct. Now let's look at the next one. Number six, I feel the same. You are agreeing with someone's emotion. Somebody has expressed that that person is going through something or a situation, and he has expressed his concern or just put an opinion or just said something, and you are agreeing with this person and you say that yes, I feel the same. I can understand what you're going through. Let's see an example. I know how it must be for you after someone's death. I feel the same. You are showing concern and agreeing with this person that I understand that you are going through a loss. I feel the same. I totally understand what you are going through, the emotions that you are going through. So here you are agreeing with that person's emotions. Now let's look at the next phrase. Now this is just a simple one. Number seven is, I totally agree with you. Instead of just saying I agree, you say I totally agree with you, just with an emphasis. You are putting emphasis on the agreement, the expression of agreement. You are putting stress on the fact that yes, I totally agree with you. Let's see an example. Now you're planning a trip with a friend, or you have planned to go out maybe on a movie, or you have booking at a restaurant and you have to reach there in time, and you are discussing with this with your friend, and he or she has mentioned that yes, we should be leaving early, so you agree that yes, we should totally leave early, I totally agree with you. Here you're agreeing with that person's point. Let's look at the next phrase. Number 8, that's a good point. I'll give you an example to understand this better. Now, two people are talking, maybe two colleagues are talking at work. One says that we should not be adding that to the report, I feel that you should keep it out from the report. To that, the other person responds that, yeah, that's a good point. You made a good point. I totally agree with you. So this way you're showing agreement by saying that that's a good point. Let's see the next one. Number 9, no doubt about it. Now here again you're showing like full confident agreement with someone's opinion or a statement or their intentions. Let's see an example to understand this better. I have no doubt about his intentions. Absolutely, I am agreeing with that person's thought process, that person's idea. Instead of saying just I agree, you say that I have no doubt about it. I totally agree with you, or I totally agree with his ideas. Now let's move on to the next one. Number 10, you have a good point there. Or you could say that you have a valid point. Now let's see an example to understand this one. Here two people are talking and one says that it's cold outside. Should we be going out for an ice cream at this hour in such a weather? To that the other person responds, you have a good point there. Or you could say that you have a valid point. You are agreeing to this person because he makes sense whatever he is saying. So that is how you express your agreement. Now this was the last phrase for today. So these were 10 different ways of expressing I agree. So instead of just saying I agree, from now on start using these different ways of expressing your agreement. I hope you have learned something different today. I hope you will use this in your everyday life. I am picking up only simple words or phrases which will be easily understood, and anyone can use it. These are very simple words and phrases that you can replace instead of just using I agree, or the various words I have given you up till now in all my videos. Anyone who hasn't watched my previous videos, please go and watch the other videos. I will link some up here and the I button, so you can check it out later. Now with that, I come to an end of this video. I hope you've liked my video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and please consider subscribing to my channel so you can watch more such interesting videos. Until my next one, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Bye.